This is a Magic John screen protector specifically for the Google Pixel 10a phone, although they make them for other phones. So this pack, it's a 2-pack, is sent to me for free to review, but normally it would cost you, I think it's $19 for the whole setup here. They haven't paid me for this review, and my opinions remain my own. Right, so in the box you get 2 complete packages here. So we're going to be installing one of these 2. It comes with a little scraping tool, the bubble scraper. It has a little front, and it has some installation instructions. That thing had a great result. No dust spots. It's lined perfectly all the way around. The alignment tray made things really easy. As long as you follow the directions. It's a multi-step process, but as long as you follow those directions, it worked really well. So here it is with the screen on, and really, unless you knew I installed it, you really can't tell, especially with this case on the phone. You can't even see the edge of the tempered glass screen protector there. So flawless installation, works great. All my touch events are just fine. So yeah, I recommend that screen protector.